Hello everyone, welcome to Business Analytics using Excel Fundamentals. This is part 2, module 1. Before moving further ahead, I would request you to please like and subscribe this channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. As soon as you press the bell icon, you will be getting all the updates about new videos that I'll be uploading. During the lecture, if you find anything difficult or you have any doubts, you can drop your comments. I'll try to answer all those questions. Whatever the sheets that I'll be using in this lecture or in any of these lectures in this series, that will be available on the app Innomind. You can download the app from the Play Store. Previously we have covered addition, fill, split and transpose. Today we'll be covering sort and filter functions. So we have two things. First is sorting and other is filtering. So we'll cover first sorting. So what exactly sorting means? Sorting means to arrange something in an order. So it could be alphabetical order or it could be on the basis of increment or decrement order. So if we have numerical values, we can arrange it in increasing or decreasing order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1 in that order. And if it is some content that is having a text value, uh, as we can see in the department section of this table, we have here as words. So what we can do is we can sort this on the basis of alphabets, that is A to Z or Z to A. It is same as in dictionary. So arranging this in an order is called as sorting. And when we come to filter, filter is basically limiting the output on the basis of some conditions. That is, out of these values in this table, if I want only that is related to bakery, or only products that are related to meat, not any other else, means nothing else, I want just meat and bakery. So in that case I'll be applying a filter that will filter out all the rows except meat and bakery. So that is the utilization of filter. Now we will see how to apply the sorting and filtering to this any kind of data. So what we have is we have a table here. To apply the sorting, you go to the right side top corner in the home tab and you see a funnel like structure and A to Z. So when you hover over that, you can see there is an option called as sort and filter. You click it and you see there are three different options: sort A to Z, that is lowest to highest, then Z to A. And apart from this, if you want to have something extra, you can have custom sort. Now let's see, I want to sort the department in an alphabetical order. So I'll select the department column and I'll go to sort A to Z. As soon as I click A to Z, you can see this department along with this table is getting sorted on the basis of department column. This whole table is getting sorted on the basis of department column. Now sometime what happens is we want multiple sorting, means on the basis of two column I want to arrange on the basis of department as well as category. In that case, once I have sorted it in this order, I'll go to category, again I'll go to sorting, and now I'll go to custom sort. You see in this pop-up of sort window there is already a sort by department, sort on, this is sorting on cell values, and then sorting is being done on the basis of A to Z. Now if I want to add another sorting, I'll add new level. You can add from here, add new level, or you can copy the same level. So it will become sort by department, then by category. Now I'm sorting it by department and then I'm sorting it by category. And what I'm sorting is sorting on the cell values. So similarly, I can add multiple I'll delete as of now because I'll be doing only two. So you can sort this on the basis of department first and then on the basis of category. Now, if as soon as I click here, you see we have bakery, and out of these two lines in the bakery, one is dessert and other is breads. So according to this condition, the bread line should come to the top. I'll do it OK. And you see inside the bakery, bread has higher precedence over, actually the letter B has higher precedence over D as per our condition. That's how we have done the sorting. Now to apply a filter into this, let's undo this. Now this is our original table. To apply a filter, I'll select the column and go to sort and filter again and click on the filter button. Okay. The shortcut for applying filter, as it was already told in first or second lecture, is Control Shift L. Now I have added the filter here. So if I want only to see the bakery, now I can see there are total four categories, not categories but department. There are total four departments, and those departments are bakery, dairy, meat and produce. If I select bakery and click OK, only the bakery options will be shown here. That is how we put a filter. Now out of the bakery, if I just want bread item, I'll remove and select only bread and click OK. So this is first, and sorry, only one line is there with bakery and bread. So we are getting this row. Okay. Again, if you want to do quick analysis, you can do it here by Control Q. And to remove this filter, I'll select all the columns and Control Shift L. You see, as soon as I have removed the filter, it is all gone. Let's redo. I'll select this and I'll do Control Shift L. Now in this, I'll just select daily and meat. Now you see here we have got filter of these two. Now if you click, now since I have applied a filter, now if I click on this filter icon, I will also get an option of clear filter from department. You can clear the filter from here. So I'll do it, and you see all the filter has been removed. Or you can do one thing, you can remove all the filters directly by selecting all the columns or this particular column and Control Shift L. All will be removed. Now moving down, we can sort there are different options. We can also sort on the basis of date or color. So let's see here, sorting on the basis of date. You click any of the date option and then you click on sort or filter. On doing that, you get two options: sort oldest to newest or newest to oldest. And if you want multiple 2-level or 3-level sorting, you can add custom sorts. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to select it from home tab. I'm going to do a right click here. You see here a filter option is here and sort option is here. So I'll do sort oldest to newest or sort newest to, you can do any. Okay, I'll do oldest to newest. As soon as I click that, you see everything is getting arranged according to that. But here, if I want to remove it, if I click here, I'm not getting that option of removing sort in that order as we got in the filter. So what we have to do is we have to do Control Z, that is to bring back to original form. Okay, we cannot do it sorting, but we can remove filter from here. Now here we have sorting on the basis of color. You see few data in this section are yellow colored and few are white color. So what I can do is, I'll click here, right click, and you see sort A to Z, Z to A, and then under that we have put selected cell color on the top, that is yellow color or the green color. That way it is going to sort it on the basis of color. So Control Z, I have to click on this yellow because I have to apply on the yellow cell, sort, and put selected cell on the top. So as soon as I do that, you can see all the yellow color cells are getting sorted on the top. Control Z. Now let's understand how to filter more, and different other options are there. That is so you see in this hotel section, okay, you click on this and go to filter. That sorting is done. Now we are going to filtering. So in filter we have filter by selected cell values or color or font or anything. So we can apply the same thing here also. On the basis of color or on the basis of font we can filter it. So what we are going to do is we are going to do see something different. That is, now you click on the hotel and then you click on this arrow. Okay, on clicking this arrow you see sort smallest to largest and sort by color. If there are color, it you can also see it here, and if not, then you can see here and another option getting popped up, that is number filter. Number filter is basically giving you an option to filter the data on the basis of numbers. When you have numerical data, you get this an option. So what I'm going to do is above average. By doing so, what Excel is going to do is find out the average of these values and it will arrange according to that. Before doing that, let me show you. I've selected these cells and the average is 2701. Okay, now let's see. Go to number filter, above average, that is 27 something like that. So you see all the values are above average. Now I'm going to add a second level of filter into that. I'll go to food, all the food values that are above 25. Okay, again I'll go to filter, then I'll click on greater than, and you see here we have and or option. And is basically going to include both the conditions. That is, if condition 1 and condition 2 both are true, then only our output is going to be true. In case of or, either of the case is true, our output is true. So I'll explain it in a second. Let's do it. Is greater than, our cell value in the food is greater than 25, and let's press OK. You see, now we do have just two columns, two rows in the food section, just two rows, and all the values are above 25. Now I was telling about yes, just a second. Yeah, so it is done. One more thing is to be told here. Yeah, you click on this, you see sort by color. You can do it from here also. You click on the color and it is going to sort it by color. You can remove this, uncheck it, by Control Z. Yeah, it is done. So this was all about sorting and filtering, and I hope you have no doubts up to now. And if you have to, feel free to write in the comment. I'll try to answer all those questions. And I'll request you again, please like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.